I took this image and this image and I turned it into these images. Crazy. And I used AI. Now, what's really cool about this tool is all you have to do is provided around 12 to 15 pictures of yourself. It could be in a number of different angles. It doesn't have to be other headshots. I didn't even actually give it any headshots. I gave it a bunch of different variations of myself. And within basically 1 hour, I got this back from the team here at multiverse.ai. And of course, you can see there is that AI element to it. So you can see, well, this one doesn't look too bad, but you can see this one here definitely looks a little bit off. And this one here also kind of looks off as well. But you get 100 headshots, and out of 100 headshots, you definitely have at least, 5 to 10 that look good. Now, if you're watching this video today at the time of publishing this video, I actually updated my YouTube channel profile to one of these AI generated headshots. Now, if you really take a look at it, it probably does look a little bit AI generated. Um, but if you're looking from afar, it looks pretty good. I can't lie. So as I mentioned before, you're gonna have 100 headshots that you get from the team. But again, some of them look good and some of them don't. These pictures seem to have given me more hair than I actually have, which is interesting. One day. But yeah, I think I like this one on the right. And what's really cool is you can actually edit these images as well. So I'm going to give you guys an example of what that looks like. So let's take a look at this one here where it's like I'm side-eyeing someone. You can actually zoom out, and this usually takes around 20 seconds. So I'm going to click on this. And you can see that it actually zooms out and keeps it the proportions of your actual headshot, and just it uses some type of AI magic to actually build more scenery in the actual image. So if you take a look at the original, that's how it was before, and when it's expanded, it still looks pretty good. It keeps the dimensions there. Now, another thing you can do is you can actually change the positioning of your body relative to the actual image by clicking on this. So I click on right, and you can see it puts my hand on the table, but obviously it's still AI generated, so you can tell it's fake. And does it again, and obviously the hands are completely destroyed. And again, now I don't like these variations. I'm just going to click on X and go back to what it was before. Now there are a couple things you can do here as well. So say, for example, I want to change the background. I'm going to click on this, and you can change it into a bunch of different backgrounds. I want to say I want to do outdoor park background. And now you have this really creepy looking image. I'm sorry, I chose the worst picture I can choose, into a sort of outdoors background. I'm going to go back and let me try another one. Let me do something like a studio white background. And now it's just a studio white background. This might actually look good for specific use cases. So let's take a look at another example. Scroll down a little bit and just see if we can, maybe this one. This one looks pretty good. Let's try again. Let's do first of all, I'm going to expand it. Let's do an expansion. Now that it's expanded, what I want to do is if I can get another variation. So I'm going to click on this. For some reason that didn't do anything, whatever. I'll just click on check mark, and I like this now that it's expanded. And what I want to do is I want to change the background, and let's do a studio white background. So it did a studio white background, but you can still tell there's some stuff here that doesn't look that good. Whatever, let's click on check mark, and I was hoping I could zoom it out a little bit more, but I guess not. So let's continue and let's see if we can find any other good examples of pictures that I like. So I tried changing the background to an office background for this. So this was the original one, and I changed it to an office background. Maybe I like that. It looks pretty good. And just before we get to how you guys are going to be set up on this, I want to just go over the rest of the pictures. There's quite a few, and you can see some are completely off and some look pretty good. I can't lie. So I think this one looks pretty good. Obviously, the eyes are kind of iffy, but they get the shadows right. This one might be a little bit off. You can see the lighting is reflecting on his hair there, and you can scroll down, and it's one. So there's one thing that I get from just looking at all these images of myself that aren't really me is that you still get the AI eerie feeling. Like it sort of feels like there's something off about it, but it also feels like maybe it could be real. It might not be, but yeah. Scroll down. Let's just see what else they have. Just gonna scroll down. What I noticed was when it comes to images that are sort of facing away from the camera, such as the one on the right, you notice that the eyes are a little bit funky, but when it's looking directly at the camera, it looks pretty good. Like this one, I think, in my opinion, looks actually pretty good. And you can see some of them make me look a little bit fatter, and some of them make me look a little bit skinnier. But yeah, let's see like this one here as well. It's like sort of side eyeing, so it looks a little bit off. But the background looks really nice, like it's like very that bokeh effect. So yeah, I'm gonna stop here, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to actually get yourself set up on this. So this is the homepage. It's $29, and you get around 100, I believe 100 professional AI headshots plus 20 custom photos within 2 hours. So I'm not 100% sure what 20 custom photos means in this case. So here you can see someone actually gave their picture here, which is the one on the left is the original picture, and the one on the right is the actual AI generated picture. And the process is basically you input around 12 to 15 images of yourself, and it should be as clear as possible. And the second thing that happens is their algorithm works on generating the headshots for around 2 hours. For me, it took around maybe an hour or so, and you receive an email with links to your professional AI headshots. So on the left here is an example of some of the selfies that people have taken, and then you can see on the right side the after AI generated photos. And here they have just a slider. So this is before, this is after, this is before, this is after, and this is before, this is after. And as I mentioned, so here they mentioned a custom AI is you describe exactly what you need, any background, any outfit, and generate new headshots, 20 included. Headshots of me smiling as a consulting professional, white background, wearing a white blazer with a black turtleneck. So they can do that. The team can actually do that. And as I mentioned, you can zoom out, which I show you guys how to do. And you can also change the background, which I also showed you guys. You can change the outfit, which I didn't actually test. I don't think I had that option. So I just went back here because I realized that you can actually change the outfit of someone. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. I guess I'm happy with that image. So I'm just gonna click on check mark. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit your photo, and you can edit two things. You can either edit the face, eyes, teeth, hair, skins, or the clothes. So I'm gonna click on clothes and see what happens there. And you can increase the brush size. And I'm just gonna highlight the shirt area here. And I'm gonna say, make me look like I'm playing basketball. I'm wearing a basketball jersey. I'm gonna click on enter. So for some reason that didn't actually work. It started adding text to the, I'm not wearing a jersey here. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna try that again. I'm just gonna write basketball jersey. And let's see what that does. So it gave me something. I don't know if that's a jersey, but it looks like a fake jersey. I'm okay with that. We'll keep it at that. Let's try the other one where face, eyes, teeth, hair, and skin. Let's try my hair. I'm gonna just go here and I'm just gonna write make my hair look blonde. Let's see what that does. Enter. So it definitely did something. It changed my hair into a different style. I guess it didn't change the color, but let me try the next one, see if that does anything. Okay, just change the style again. Let me try again. Try again. Let's see what that does. Okay, let me try it again. I'm just gonna be like, can you long hair? Just simple long hair. So it didn't really give me long hair, but it did make it fluffy and full. Okay, so I'm just gonna try this one more time. I want to try this. Give me dreadlocks and see if it can do that. I doubt it can do that, but let's see. And yeah, it wasn't able to do that. It just gave me a little, like some type of funky hairstyle. Okay, I mean, it is what it is. Let's try just one more thing. I'm just gonna refresh that again. And I will do something like, let me just do like this thing here. And just go like that. Give me a full beard. Let's see what that does. So it did something there. It gave me a full a full non-patchy beard, and if I scroll to the right, uh yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Maybe we'll keep this one. Let's keep this one. And yeah, and you can also work on the eyes and teeth and other things as well. So one thing I just wanted to point out that they do mention on their website, your data is safe. They mention they're never going to use your photos to improve their models or for any other training purposes. Your input photos are used solely to generate your AI headshots. Now, we have to take their word for it. Do I trust them? Well, Yeah, it's really hard to trust any company out there. I'm a little bit more lenient when it comes to some of these AI stuff, but for other people, it might be a security issue or a privacy issue. If in that case, I guess this is not the tool for you. They also have the option for corporate headshots if you have a team. I believe that it's a different pricing range for that. So the process to actually getting started is there's a link that you actually upload. First of all, you have to sign up and you have to pay 20. So the process is when you get to the website, click on get your photos for $29 and actually pay. Make sure you use, once you use your real email, they will likely send you a link for you to actually upload all your photos. And so once you get that link here, it'll be here. So it's just their website, upload images, and they tell you what kind of images you're supposed to upload. So don't upload a series of selfies. Show a clear, visible face. Try to use variations, straight face, like straight looking at the camera, side angles, side views, etc., etc. Different angles. So once you have around 12 to 15 high quality images, it doesn't have to be professional headshots. You just make sure that you write the exact email you signed up with. You write it here. Just mention if you're a man or a woman, and you add the pictures here, and you just, I've uploaded at least 12 images. I've cropped around my face and shoulders. My face is not covered. Glasses are okay. Sunglasses are not. I have no repeated photos, and they show some variation. Do not upload a series of selfies. And then once you do that, you upload the images, and you just have to wait around 1 to 2 to max 3 hours. The team will actually send you an email again with a link to all the images on this page. So you're gonna get an image page like this, and you'll get 100 images. And the more you like, if you want to get another series of 100 images, then you just have to pay $29 again. Now, one cool thing is I actually have a 10% discount. If you use the link in the description box below, you actually get 10% discount using my affiliate link. But I will have a disclaimer. It's an affiliate link. You guys can use it without the affiliate link. But if you want to get 10% discount, you can do that as well. But $29 is not a lot of money. And this could be useful for your LinkedIn profile, for a resume image, for your WhatsApp profile picture, for your YouTube channel picture, as I just did. So yeah, I think this is a really, really cool tool. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And until next time, see you guys later. Take care.